Listen to me. Confidence isn't magic. It isn't a talent. It isn't something you are born with. Confidence is something you build, brick by brick, day by day. People think confidence is loud, but real confidence is quiet. Real confidence is calm. Real confidence is knowing exactly who you are, even when the world doubts you. 1. The decision. Confidence begins with one choice. I'm done doubting myself. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. You don't wait for confidence, you act first. Confidence comes after. A baby doesn't wait to feel confident to walk, they take the step first. They fall 100 times, then confidence arrives. Your life works the same way. 2. Keep promises to yourself. Listen carefully. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, I'll wake up early, I'll change my habits, and you don't, you teach your mind one dangerous message: I can't trust myself. And if you can't trust yourself, you can't be confident. But every small promise you keep becomes a seed of confidence. Wake up when you say you will. Show up when you say you will. Do the work you promise to do. That's how belief is built. 3. Confidence is built in silence. Confidence is not built in front of people. It's built when no one is watching, when you study while others party, when you practice alone, when you work in the dark, when you train without applause. People see the results. They call it luck. They call it talent. They don't see the silent war you fought. 4. Confidence is a skill. Confidence is a muscle. If you don't train it, it gets weak. So go after things that scare you. Just a little, every day. Speak up. Try something new. Move outside your comfort zone. Comfort is the enemy of confidence. The more discomfort you face, the stronger your confidence becomes. 5. Preparation creates confidence. Real confidence doesn't come from hype. It comes from preparation. You studied, you practiced, you trained. That's why you believe in yourself. Fear disappears when you know you're ready. So prepare harder than anyone else. 6. Imperfection is okay. Confident people aren't perfect. They're comfortable being imperfect. They know they'll fail. They know they'll make mistakes. But they also know this: one mistake doesn't define them. Confidence says, I don't need to be perfect. I just need to move. Start now. Start messy. Start imperfect, but start. 7. Stop comparing. Comparison kills confidence. You compare your life, your body, your success to someone else's highlight reel. Stop. You are not behind. You're on your own path. Run your race, not theirs. 8. Face your fears. Confidence doesn't mean you don't feel fear. It means you move despite fear. Fear says, you'll fail. You'll be judged. You're not ready. Confidence replies, watch me. Do one scary thing every day, even something small. That's how fear loses power, and you gain it. 9. Fail forward. Every confident person you admire failed more times than you can imagine. Failure isn't the end. Failure is the lesson. Failure is the foundation. Confidence is built each time you rise after falling. You survived before, you'll survive again. Remember that. 10. Protect your energy. Confidence cannot grow in a toxic environment. If your circle is negative, you will doubt yourself. Surround yourself with people who push you, people who support you, people who believe in growth, not excuses. Protect your mind, protect your energy, protect your peace. 11. Self-respect. Confidence is self-respect. It's saying, no more. I deserve better. My time matters. My heart matters. My peace matters. Raise your standards. Watch your confidence rise with them. 12. Do hard things. The truth is simple. Confidence is built through hard things. Waking up early is hard. Discipline is hard. Focus is hard. Growth is hard. But every hard thing you finish adds another brick to your confidence. Weak people avoid hard things. Confident people run toward them, because difficult builds powerful. 13. Confidence is a lifetime journey. Some days you'll feel strong. Some days you'll doubt yourself again. It's okay. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about refusing to quit. It's about standing up one more time, even when you're tired, even when you're scared, even when you feel alone. Final message. If you want confidence, act before you feel ready. Keep your promises. Face fear. Accept imperfection. Prepare harder. Stop comparing. Do hard things. Respect yourself. Protect your energy. And never stop moving forward. Confidence is not a gift. Confidence is a build. Confidence is a decision. Confidence is a lifestyle. And right now, in this very moment, you can choose to build it. You can choose to become unstoppable. You can choose the confident version of yourself. The world is waiting.